So as
Hello.
per your consent only, just recording the session. Yeah. So I'm just saying, as per your consent only, recording this mock interview. Okay. And if you are not feeling comfortable to
Yeah,
come
thank
on
you. Thank
camera,
you for this.
no worry. You can. Yeah. So you do not have the issue, right? If I'm just recording the mock interview.
Yeah, I don't have any issues. Siddharth. It is a pleasure
Yeah,
to
because it
have
will be
like
helpful
this.
for
Yeah.
others as well. Also, it will be helpful for you as well for the future reference.
Yes, yes, right, right, exactly.
Okay, Naga, I think we are good to start our interview process.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So Naga, can you please quickly introduce yourself?
Yes, yeah. Hi, I have overall 7.4 years of IT experience. So in that, I have relevant service now is close to 4 years. So in the span of 4 years of service now experience, I have a familiar experience with the ITSM module, and also have close to 2 years of IT module experience. So coming to ITSM module, I have experience on development and admin activities, and through all the managements, I have experience like incident management, problem management, change management, and also have experience with UI policies and data policies and UI to data conversions also, and had experience with the integration where we are using REST API methods and we performed outbound integration for that. So which is some kind of chart based application, that is some mobile chart based
Mhm.
application. So for that we have performed outbound integration. So this is the experience I have with the ITSM module. And the development side, I have experienced on I like client scripts, scripting, cloud workflows, flow designer, and the client and server communications via the using glide API methods, which is followed by Servicenow, like all the methods. So that is based on the scenarios, or based on the uh, based on the requirement. So that is the thing, and this is my ITSM profile for the service now.
Okay, sure. So Naga, can you please elaborate me that how many types of client script we have?
Yes, we have four types of client scripts, which is on load, on change, on submit, and on sell edit client scripts. And coming to the onload client script, so this client script will execute on whenever the form is loaded and before submitting to the database, which means that before submitting to the table. So that is onload client scripts. And on change client script means whenever the fields values will be changed from one value to another value. So at that moment, this client script will execute, and that also will be before submitting into the database. And coming to the on submit, so whenever we are going to submitting the form onto the database, so at that moment that on submit client script will execute. So for that we have the functions. And finally we have on cell edit client script. So that is which is editable by on cell or whatever we going to edit. So that is instant edit. So generally we are not morely used on cell edit, and the rest of the transcripts will used morely. Yeah.
Okay. Do you heard about catalog client script?
Yes, catalog transcripts will be executed on the service catalog, which means that whenever we creating one catalog item, so which is generated to user, which means that we can deliver to the user. So at that moment, we can also have to overwritten the methods by using with the scripting. So we can go for catalog client script, which means that that catalog
Okay.
items to be generated through the client script. So we can use any functions over there, which is usual for the client script. So that is also some kind of client script.
Okay. So why we do not have the option for the on-sale edit client script on the catalog client script?
Yes, we don't have because on select it means it is on the in the instance. However, we your pages will be appeared. So there we have different kind of cells, which means that so it will be editable instantly on the left or right or top or down. So wherever we want to edit, so we can go and edit the cell edit value. So that is the thing. So it
O-
is not available in the catalog landscape. So that is the reason. Yeah.
Okay. So how you are going to be call the server side data in the client script?
Yes, server-side data we can call server-side to client by using glide ajax methods. So which is one of
Any
glide
other
API
method?
method we can use for
Any other method,
yes
Naga?
through yes 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 yes, yes we have another method through record producer also we can able to call.
Okay. So I have one question. In the record producer, can we
Okay.
use the catalog client script or normal client script? Which one we need to use in the record producer? Means which we can apply on a
Yes,
record
we
producer.
can use yes we can use catalog client script in the record producer because record producer generally we can use for uh, like all the catalog items at a single point of time. So multiple catalog items will be appear. So we can able to deliver any catalog item to the user. So for that we can use catalog client script in the record producer.
Okay, fine. Okay, then can you please tell me, do you heard about the scripting queue?
Yes, I had script include we can it is a reusable script actually. So it is one kind of a JavaScript method. So with the help of this, so we can tag a client script to call server and the client communication. Generally, we can use this, and for that also we can use glide ajax method.
Okay. So I have one question. How you are going to be declare any private function under a scripting queue?
Can you repeat the question?
I'm asking that how you are going to be declare one private function in a scripting queue.
One private function in a script include. Yes. We
Yes.
can declare one function which is followed by function keyword function colon and follow that so we can declare any name and we can use curl basis which means that function basis is there, right? So with the help of that we can declare function and after that we can declare
The difference
variables and
between what
followed
is
by
the
any
difference?
method.
Okay, okay, Naga, I
Sorry.
got. So I have one question. Yeah, I got your answer. So what I'm just asking,
Okay.
what's the difference between a private function and public function?
Yeah, private function, it is used for out of the box. So it is a customization for like a custom application for that we can use. And public methods, it is a like predefined functions like public void. So many methods will be there. Yeah.
Okay. Can you please rate yourself in server-side scripting out of 5?
Server side scripting out of 5, I can rate 3.5.
Okay, very good. So can you please let me know how you are going to be call an event or you can trigger an event from a business rule?
Yes, we can trigger even from business rule. Mm, based on the scenario, we can use after business rule we can use for that because event will be notified through the email notifications. So which is followed by after business rule. So when to run condition we can mention as a after
Okay, no
and
issue. No issue.
so yeah.
Yeah, Naga, I got your answer. So another one, let's say you heard about
Okay.
our email notification, right? Which is going from ServiceNow, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
So their one
Yes, right,
form
right. I
address
have.
is there, right? From where, yes, in the email which is sending from ServiceNow to another platform, their one form address is coming, right? Form address will also showing, right? So that form address generally it will go for your system mailbox address. But I want to customize that form address of that email. How I can do that?
Customize the form address. Yeah. Whatever the applications we are using, so we can create one table, right? That is custom table. So whatever the fields we have included for that table, so on the field basis, so we can mention here, and we can also have to tag users email address. So at that moment we can able to like reload the form customization.
Okay, no issue. Next question, Naga, from my side. So let's say,
Okay.
think about one scenario. Okay,
Okay.
think about one scenario. Let's say there is a field called caller ID in the incident form, right? I
Right.
written one onload client script. When the form is loading, that field needs to be read only. Okay, I written that onload client script. I also written one UI policy
Okay.
that through that UI policy I am making that field mandatory. Okay, so now once the form
Okay.
is getting
Okay.
loaded, finally the field will be read only or mandatory.
Uh, Client script will execute first because client script will be faster than UA policy. So the result will be read only.
Means client script
Yeah, which
output
means
will be the final output. UI policy output will be the final
yes, yes,
output.
right, right.
Which one?
No, 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 no. Client
No,
script
no. Which?
is the client script will like client script will execute first. So rather than UI policy, so the output and result will be the read only because we declare onload client script as a read only field. So for that result is the read
Yeah.
only. Yeah.
Okay. Next question from my side. Okay. Do you have worked with the
Yes, that.
work experience on the transform maps data source?
Yes, 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 I have. I have.
Okay. So, do you heard about the colis?
Sorry, what is that?
Do you heard about the colis?
Hello. Yes,
I'm asking, do
Kolaski.
you
Yeah.
heard about the word colis? Yeah. So, what's the mean of that?
Kolasi, right? Kolasi, right?
Yeah, colis. Yeah, colis.
Yeah, you are asking about Kolasi Siddharth, right?
Not collapse. I'm asking about the colis.
Yes, Kolis is like it is updating the fields whenever the like I think whenever the existing field will
Okay,
be
tell me about
updated
one.
on the
No, no, tell
form.
me. Okay, tell me about one scenario where you use that colis. What was the business use cases for that thing?
Uh,
Why you use that?
whenever working with the transform map, so we have that collapsive field, so which is morely used for whatever the fields will be mapped on
No, no,
source
I am
to
asking,
destination. So
once again, Naga. I am asking, do you use that thing in practical or you only have the theoretical knowledge on that?
no, no, I have not used. Yeah.
Okay, no issue then. We can go for the next scenario. So
Okay.
let's say you have to update, okay, few bulk
Mm-hmm.
incident, okay, few bulk
Okay.
incident you have to update, and it's a one time activity,
Okay.
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 So in this case, you are going to be use background scripts or fixed script.
In a one shot, we can go for a fixed script.
Okay, no
Yeah, a
issue.
background
Next
script also
thing,
will works out.
but the
Yeah.
okay.
Sorry.
So next thing, the next condition into it. Once your incident is updating, the updated fields value should not be going to be changed. Means all the system fields needs to be uh, that there no update needs to happen. Okay, system fields needs to be keep remain
Okay.
same. Okay, but other fields with what you are just going to be want to update in the incident, maybe states or short description, you can update them in a bulk. So in this script scenario only, so which method you are going to be used for this thing under your fixed script or background script?
Mm, background script we can go for this. Sorry.
I'm asking, tell me the syntax through which you can pause or restrict the system field updation at the time of bulk updation through background script or fixed script in your server side script. Just tell me the syntax.
Yes, yes, we can do.
Did it
Yes, we can do for this as a background script and the syntax like set auto fields update to true. We can use the method because the system
what's
auto
the
fields will be
what is the syntax?
syntax. mm,
Okay, no issue. Can you please share your screen and open your notepad? We are just running out with the
okay.
time, so quickly we'll do one or two scripting scenario based question. Can you please share your screen and open the notepad?
Yeah, yeah, I'm sharing. Yeah, confirm if the screen is visible.
You are joined from mobile,
Yes, yes, right.
then how you are going to be share the notepad?
It's not very will not possible. Mm, so
Okay, please stop share. I
in
can
call
ask over
message
the call
I
only.
can write here.
Okay, no issue. Then I need the count of I need the count of
Okay.
all active incident. How you are going to calculate it?
Yes, we can go for glide aggregate method. At first, we can declare one variable with the help of glide aggregate method on which the table you want to get the account either instant or problem. So we can declare variable with that. And after that, followed by method like add query. So on the which field you are going to get the count. So we can write and then we can write the query. Then after while and after that, so we can write the gs.print so that count will be appear on the result. Or else we can go for the get
No.
row count method also. We can write over there.
Okay.
Hello.
So do we need the count yeah, I'm asking, do we need the count uh, method in the glide aggregate or directly with the query only we can achieve it?
Uh, we don't need a get row count method. We can directly go for glide aggregate.
No, no, no. I'm asking not the get row count. I'm asking, do we need to use some get aggregate or aggregate or count method in the glide aggregate, or with the simple
Yes, yes, yes.
glide aggregate then with the
No, no, no. We can
Yeah, tell
write
me.
get aggregate, and in the get aggregate, so we can follow by whatever the field we can write over there, and then also we can write get value for that also. So with the help of that, so we can able to get the count, get
Okay, how you
aggregate
are
and
going
set
to be?
aggregate. So both.
No issue, Nagar. No issue. No issue. I got your point. So the next
Okay,
question
okay,
I'm just
thank you.
asking you. Okay, yeah, that will be our last scenario-based question. Okay. So
Okay.
how you are going to be trigger one? How you are going to be trigger one flow? Okay, from a script include.
Through script include trigger a flow.
Yes.
Oh, I think that method, that function method name is mm, add encode. No, 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 not encoded. Mm. So we can write one function in the script include, and we can call that in the client script via the method by. Mm,
Okay, no issue. No issue. I got your point.
oh, sorry,
Okay,
I'm
Naga.
not
I
getting.
think
Yeah.
I'm just saying that. Okay, Naga. I'm good from my side. Okay. If you have any other question, you can
Okay.
ask to me. Yeah.
Oh, no, Siddharth. As of now, I'm good. I'm not having any questions.
Okay. Then we are fine. So let me tell you about your overall interview experience. Okay. Let me share that thing with you. Okay.
Yeah,
Tell
yeah.
me, first of all, you just tell me how you feel in this mock interview.
Yeah, it is very good for me because to gain and acquiring myself, it is very good for me. And I'm very glad to meet you like this at this moment and at this time. So I'm very pleasure for this. Yeah, I feel good for this. Yeah.
Okay, Nagar. No issue. So the honest feedback, if I'm just giving to you, that is what all question I have
Okay.
asked to you, you able to answer only 20% of that.
Oh, okay, okay. Thanks for honest. Yeah.
Yeah. I am
Okay.
record as this session is recorded. You can go through, okay, all the questions. Like let's say I'm just asking you one scenario, right? Client script and UI policy. So what you have been done with the UI policy, that will be the take the privilege, not the client script. First your client script run, then your UI policy. So the
Oh,
UI policy action will be going to be affected, right? Next thing,
okay.
in the glide aggregate, first you need to use the glide aggregate, then you need to use the add aggregate, then you need to pass the method called count. Okay. Then that count you need to again needs to call under your while loop. Okay. Okay. Next thing, for one shot
Yes, yes.
activities,
Correct.
mostly we are using the background script rather than the fixed script. Okay.
Okay,
Next thing,
okay.
coolies is something in our transform map. Let's say I am every day we are loading some Excel sheet and there through the Excel sheet record can be updated. Also new record can be inserted. So if I'm making any field as a coolie, so if that field value got matched with your Excel sheet, so that record will going to be updated rather than inserted a new record in the database. Okay.
Yes, yes, right, right. Yeah, which means that the
Okay.
same
Next
record, same
thing,
value will be matched.
yeah, we are making any field as a unique field. That's the its mean. Okay. Next thing,
Yes, yes,
the
right.
private function we can declare under a script include if before the function name, if we are putting any underscore, that time that function become a private function. Got it?
Okay, okay.
So you have to work a lot, man. Okay.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
sure, sure.
No
Yeah,
issue. Yeah. Thank you. Good night. Bye bye.
yeah, thank, yeah, thank you so much, Siddharth. Yeah.
Thank you so much.